Hello friends, good morning. Today I show you how to install ArcGIS Pro in your desktops. So first, before the installation, I will tell you the system requirements, what you have to in your system so that you can successfully install the ArcGIS Pro softwares in your machine. So first, you have to your system have to get the 8 minimum 8 GB of RAMs, 64 GB of 64-bit systems, and minimum 50 GB of HDD hard disk space. So if these requirements are match with your systems, then you can successfully install the ArcGIS Pro softwares. So uh, now this is, you can see, this is the ArcGIS Pro softwares setup files, and you can get the size 1.66 GB. You can get these softwares exe files in the ESRI sites if you have the accounts. So for double click this, you can first set the destination folder. I successfully create this, and next this. Now extracting the all the DLLs and CAV files of the ArcGIS Pro, and it is unpacked into the C drives where I set the destination folders. It takes some time to extracting the all the files inside these setup files. First wait for a minute so that the next button will be enabled. Yes, ArcGIS Pro installation file has been successfully extracted to your computers. Launch the setup programs. Click on this. This is by default click. Close. After a certain seconds, you can get one set of ArcGIS Pro setups. Accept the agreement. Anyone who use, there are two options of the installation only for me. Anyone who uses this computer, all users. I uses all users. Next, install ArcGIS Pro in the program files of the C drives. Next, ready to install the program. Here one have checkbox. It is by default checked. Click here to participate the ESR user experience improvement programs recommended. Okay, you can uncheck this or you can check this. By default it is checked, so nothing bother about this. Now installed. Please wait while ArcGIS Pro installs. This may several minutes. Okay, I have to wait for the installation. After that, it give me the permission, so I yes this. Now the status progress bar is increasing. All the files are copying, updating to the destination folders in the C drives, and all the files is copying. So the progress bar is at the end. So ArcGIS Pro has been successfully installed, and run ArcGIS Pro now. Now I click on the finish, and now the software is open. It takes some time to open these softwares. Yes, now it is opening, initializing. You can show this. So we have successfully installed the ArcGIS Pro in our machine. So before you installation, you can check your first system requirement, then installed. Okay, thank you.